Hey there, decision makers. Let's be honest, running a business today means making fast, high-stakes decisions every single day. And with the flood of data coming in from all directions, it's getting harder to keep up. But what if there was a way to make faster, smarter, and more objective decisions, without the usual stress and bias? That's where GenAI comes in. What is GenAI? Generative AI isn't just a content tool anymore. It's now being used to enhance business intelligence, by helping leaders interpret complex data, identify patterns, and even recommend actionable strategies in real time. Here's how GenAI is revolutionizing decision-making. 1. Data-driven insights without the overwhelm. Normally, you'd need analysts to spend hours digging through data. GenAI processes massive datasets in seconds and gives you the insights that matter. 2. Reduces human bias. Even the best decision-makers have subconscious bias. GenAI looks at the facts, not feelings, helping you make objectively smarter choices that aren't influenced by emotion, fatigue, or internal politics. 3. Predictive analytics made simple. Want to know which product will perform better next quarter? GenAI uses historical data, market trends, and real-time updates to predict outcomes, helping you plan with confidence, not guesswork. 4. Personalized, contextual recommendations. GenAI doesn't give generic advice. It can tailor recommendations to your business goals, industry, and current performance. Think of it like having a 24/7 strategy assistant trained on your data. But wait, is this replacing humans? Not at all. GenAI is a co-pilot, not a replacement. It boosts your ability to make decisions, while you stay in control. In fact, when paired with your experience and domain knowledge, GenAI becomes a competitive edge. At Richest Soft, we help companies integrate GenAI into decision-making systems, whether it's dashboards, analytics, customer support, or internal tools. We don't just drop in an AI model. We build custom GenAI solutions that align with your business needs. So if your team is still spending days making decisions that could take minutes, like this video, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you want to see how GenAI is transforming industries like retail, healthcare, and finance. Until next time, make better decisions, powered by GenAI.